All right, we're ready for your assignment on inserting and updating records. For this assignment, we're going to be working with Amy Baker from the candy store again. She's really excited because she hired 2 new clerks, Charles Munger and William Gates. They have both started on March 15th of 2020. She would like you to add both of these employees to the employees table for her. And she's also got data on average customer ratings now. So she'd like you to update that column. The average ratings for employees 1 through 6 are 4.8, 4.6, 4.75, 4.9, 4.75, and 4.2, respectively. And the 2 new clerks are both at a solid 5.0. So when you successfully update the table, you'll see there are going to be 2 new employees, employees 7 and 8, Charles and William. Their hire dates will be as shown here. Their positions will be clerk, and then the entirety of the average customer rating column will be populated. This one might be a little tricky for you, but I think you've got all the knowledge that you need. So go ahead and try to get the answer on your own, and then come back and watch the solution video. Good luck.